Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have my project polish update for you. I literally just finished filming my Four Seasons project pan. In that particular project, I had 12 nail polishes. I explained why I changed some things in that particular project, and it's all because of this project pan. And it's not going as well as I had hoped because other projects have too much nail polish in it. So I do have some progress, but I do not have any empties yet, which is kind of sad. So I'm gonna go in order of everything that I have in my spreadsheet. Some things I have good progress on, some things I do not. So the first one is from Artmatic. It is a brand I don't think is even around anymore. And you can see I have a new line right here. So I was at the green line, now I'm down here at, what color is that? I don't know. It's like a champagne color. So that is where I am currently. I am making some progress on this, slow and steady. We'll hopefully win the race by the end of the year. I would love to see that one done. This next one, I think I've only used it once and I was not able to do another line. This is also Artmatic. This one is just a navy blue. So I was kind of like at the top of this line and now I'm just at the bottom of it. I need to use this a little bit more because there's not like a ton in there. I should be able to get that one done. The green has more in it, but I digress. All right, last Artmatic one. Yes, I know. It's crazy that I have 3 of them. They've been around 100 years. This one is just a gold glitter. I was at the top of this line. Now I'm at the bottom. I use this thing all the time, but it is so thin that even if I was to use it every single mani, the progress is going to be very slow because yeah, it's really thin. So I'm working on it and eventually it will get done. All right, the one that I have on my nails right now is OPI Till We Meet Again, and I have it on 6 fingers total, and I actually have it on my toes too, which is crazy that I have it on 6 fingers and all 10 toes, and I still wasn't able to make a new line. What are you gonna do? So I was at the top of this silver line, and now I am at the bottom, and it narrows. So I don't really know what's going on with there. There is some kind of sorcery going on in this bottle that I could do a mani and a pedi and still not be able to draw a new line. But I'm using it. I mean, clearly I would show you my toes, but that would be kind of awkward trying to get my feet up into the air. All right, next one is from Sally Hansen. This is To the Moon, and I use this one too. This was in like the manicure that I took off yesterday when I polished my nails. I used it and I still can't draw a new line. So I was at the top of this line here and now I'm at the bottom, and it's slow going, but I am using it. This next one is, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one. It's really old. It is Revlon Cherries in the Snow. It is a classic. And it's getting there. I did obviously wear this one. It's one I took off yesterday. And you can see where I am now. That's a new line there at the bottom. And it's getting to the point where it's really hard to get product out on the brush. So I might get one more mani or probably just accent nails out of this. And then whatever drops are left in, I'm probably going to have to figure out where I can, pour those drops in if I have something that I can mix it with. We'll have to see. I might end up doing it with something that's in here because that's just how I've always done it. I don't know. I'm a weirdo like that. All right, this one, I've used it once since the last update and I have not been able to make a new line. This is from Clean Color. It's called Holiday Jingle. It is just a green glitter. So I was at the top of the green line, or top of the line. Now I'm at the bottom of the line. Slow. It's very slow. All right, 3 more. This one I just took off my nails too. This is from Elf, which I don't think they even do nail polishes anymore. They haven't for quite a number of years. This is the shade called Love Me. And I did actually get a new line on this one. So you can see my old line and my new line. And no, I cannot draw a straight line to save my life. It can't be done. But I am making progress on this one. Like you can actually see where it cuts off. I do think I can get it finished this year. It's it's a slow and steady thing, much like everything else. All right, this one has the best progress, and it's because it's tiny. It doesn't have a name. I don't know. It was in some like holiday gift set that I got eons ago, and it just had some random makeup and some nail polish and stuff like that. And I'm just trying to use my stuff here. So you can see where I was and where I am now. So I definitely have a new line. And I wear this one frequently because it's one of those easy shades to just put on and not have to worry about it. It's neutral, it goes with everything. So if I'm going to be super busy, this is something that I will put on, because if it chips a little bit, it doesn't really show as obvious. So it's a nice shade to wear. All right, that one hopefully I will have done sooner rather than later. All right, this next one, I did actually get a new line on this one. This is from Avon. It is called Saturn. And you can see where I was and where I am now. This one is extremely old as well. But I think what I might do is, when I get to the point where I just can't even get an accent nail out of Cherries in the Snow, I might just let the last like 5 or 6 drops or whatever's in there go into here. It's going to affect the height of this one, but not by much. But I feel like the red could enhance this purple a little bit, and I will be okay with that. You know, it gives me something just a little bit different. I like the purple, but you know, it'll work. I think it'll work just fine. I'll do that on Franken Day when I get to that point. So just going to continue slowly working on everything. If I had to say, or if I had to pick, not if I had to say, if I had to pick a focus polish, it's probably going to be this no-name polish here. Can you hear Greta scratching behind me and hitting this table right here? Dogs. You don't even have to see them to know that they're there. So anyway, this is going to be my focus polish for the next month. I'm kind of hoping I can get this one moved out. Not that I don't like it, because I actually do really like it a lot, but I need to get something finished. I do have progress on a lot of these shades, but I need to start getting things used up. And I really think Cherries in the Snow could be a potential rollout for the next update. Everything else I'm just going to work on and hopefully get a little bit more use on these things. And I don't want to say less use on the ones that are in projects just for usage, but I need to start finding a way to make more progress here while still enjoying my play projects. So if you guys have any ideas on how to do that, let me know, because I'm all ears and I just want to get some stuff done. There's the grunts, aka Greta, chillin'. She's saying it's time for bed, mommy. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.